This is my connected devices project. I have the Arduino board and Raspberry Pi 4 all set up and ready to go. Also have ThingSpeak there, values from just testing it a minute ago, and that is the Jupyter notebook where we're running all our code. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to replicate a SatNav that knows the speed limit of the road you're on and also the speed you're doing. So when I press the button, it initially starts off at 0. There'll be no speed limit. I'll just start it running here. And that will flash onto the Arduino. And it will initially start off potentiometer pin and on pin 0. Well, it'll start off with a no speed limit. Each time I press the button, then first time it'll go to 50. I have to reset them both here and printing out there on the sense hat. So the first time I press the button, it'll go to 50. Second time speed limit will be set at 60, then 80, 100, 120, and then back to 0. It's already reading the potentiometer at 30 kilometers an hour. What I'm doing is reading the values of the potentiometer, multiplying that by 150 to give a range of 0 to 150 kilometers an hour, but it doesn't go all the way up. It goes up to about 130. So at the minute is reading speed is 30, sorry, which is what it's getting from ThingSpeak. I've also have to put in a 15-second delay to allow the data to be sent to ThingSpeak and then read afterwards. So what I'll do is just make sure that's reading out correctly. It should be green if you're below the speed limit and red if you're above the speed limit. So 31. I'll press the button and set the first speed limit has now been set to 50, and that's been set also in ThingSpeak. So that we read out 36 because we're below the speed limit in green. Now I'll adjust the potentiometer here slightly to get above 50. So let's see what it reads here. It actually reads it from ThingSpeak. So just have to wait the 15 seconds. Up to 77. So what that reads, this should print out 77 in red. And that's what it does for each speed limit. So if I was to press 60, it would still stay red because 77 is above that speed limit. All the way up, and then it resets back to 0. Reason for that is the Autobahn in Germany has no speed limit. So there is a case where some roads don't have speed limits.